Hi guys, it's Carrie with Thu's Artistry. I am here to showcase the new paper collection from Paperomia. It is called Underwater, and this kit is beautiful. It's just, I love the color. It's my favorite color, and it has so many pages of everything you could ask for. So let's see it. We have writing pages that have lines. There are 8 of those. And we have background papers that we could use to paint on the backs of our pockets or other elements that you decide to use these for. They even go great with the templates that are now included in the kit. There are 3 pages of ephemera pocket templates, as well as 2 pages for tags, for the stamps. Let's see here. Here's the tags that she made, and then she included the elements pages of tags, so you can cut these out and trace them onto her beautiful papers. Let's see, what else do we got? We got mermaids, of course, mermaids. So many mermaids. And then we have pages with white elements for the coral and the fish. It almost looks like it's a plaster or stonework on there. See how beautiful those are. We also have lots of pages with elements, random elements. Now you could use these as is for your journal pages, or you could cut the individual images out. Just beautiful. So many pages of those. And we have 2 pages of fussy cuts. So in addition, these are separate fussy cuts, as well as a page of bookmarks. All right, so total, you get a total of 77 pages, and that is with the templates and the original papers from the Underwater kit. I believe she has it linked in there as having the add-on kit as well. I'm not sure if they are separate kits or if they're all together. It looks like they were all together. But guys, can you imagine the amount of stuff you can do with these? I can't wait to get started. I hope you guys go and get this. Thank you. Bye.